My name is Alexandra Bru Alvarez. I am 41 years old and I have sons. I am elementary teacher. I am a happy lady. I like reading, singing, and having lunch with my family and home. My favorite hobby is to watching childish movies. I always get up at 4 a.m. and get ready to go to work by motorbike. I work at La Posa High School. There I teach math, Spanish, and physical education. I never teach English. I also like practicing reading on writing with my students. Once I reach home, I like having lunch with in the my family and they taking an 1 hour nap. Sometimes I run errands in the afternoon in cleaning or organizing the house. Regarding my free time, I like taking long walks and drinking some beers with my friends. I also like visiting my relatives and to watch TV with them. But the activity I like the most is going to the movies. In the evening, sometimes I take out my sons to have dinner and I arrive home at about 6 p.m. Then I take a shower and watch TV. Finally, I go to bed at 9 p.m.